In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert or add circles in Google Docs. This simple yet useful skill can enhance your documents by bringing in some visual appeal and organization. Let's dive right in. Begin by heading to Google Drive. Start by opening your web browser and typing in the URL for Google Drive, or simply searching for it through your preferred search engine. Once you arrive at the Google Drive homepage, you'll see a menu on the left upper corner of your screen. Click on the option labeled New. This is your gateway to creating various documents and files. Next, you'll want to select Google Docs from the drop-down menu that appears. This is where we'll be working to incorporate the circle into your document. Choose whether you'd like to create a new blank document or open an existing one. If you choose the latter, just navigate to your document of choice and open it up. If you're starting fresh, click on the blank page option to open a new document. After opening your document, look towards the upper part of the interface for the Insert tab. Give it a click and a menu will drop down offering various elements you can add to your document. Here you'll want to select Drawing and then New. This action will open a drawing dialog box, giving you a blank canvas to work on. Once the drawing dialog box appears, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top and click the Shapes icon. From the list of shapes provided, you should select the circle, click on it, and then move back to your blank drawing page. Click and drag your mouse to draw a circle of the desired size. You can adjust the dimensions by dragging the points at the circle's edges until you have the perfect size. Now that your circle is in place, it's time for some customization. Click on Fill Color to bring up a palette of color options. Choose your favorite shade or create a gradient effect to give your circle a specific look. Additionally, you can adjust the border of the circle by changing its color and weight. Play around with these features until you're happy with how it looks. Finally, once you're satisfied with your customized circle, save your work by clicking the Save and Close button. Your newly created circle is now embedded within your Google Doc. And that's it, you're done. Feel free to make any additional adjustments directly within the document if needed. The simple process can be repeated whenever you require the inclusion of circles in your documents, helping you to convey your information more effectively. Thanks for watching and hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time.